Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Blow mo na.
Happy birthday, Ate Lexi.
Takas mo. Yay!
Oh!
Go.
Present.
Ba't ay, nasira yung ano? Naku, naka-tape pa. Tulungan mo.
Saan yung lobo namin? Give me the logo.
Oh, stay ka muna. Mag-open ka muna.
Lagyan mo ng ano to?
You like it? That's present from Tita Cheche.
I like it. This is for me.
Yes, everything is for you.
For you, not for me.
Saan nyo naman ang ventilador? Nainitan?
Hindi.
Nainit na ako. What is that?
Let us
It's
see.
from Mami Tita Kai.
Mami Tita Kai.
Careful baka mabasag. Oo, mabasag.
Nabasag na.
It's
just a box.
Kabilang ano. Dito sa top.
It's just a box.
Sa top. Sa top. Dito.
Ay,
here.
no.
Bottom. Yeah. What is that? It's
Wow!
Another drinking straw.
Safety.
Another more.
Where's it? Another pa.
Sige, buksan mo na yan.
Another one.
This one?
Yeah, you can open that.
What is it? Just open.
Elephant yan, elephant.
Kanino galing niya? Kanino?
That's from Tito Eman.
What is that?
Break it.
Ay, walang laman.
What is that?
Ayun no.
What is that?
Wow. Who's that?
Hello Kitty and
Tsaka may
Melody.
melo.
Another.
Another one more.
Another one.
Empo.
Another. Another one.
Empo.
There pa oh. There's a two pa oh. Two. Dali. Another.
Oh, pull the string. Pull the ribbon.
Di, sirain mo yung papel.
Pwede naman sirain na lang yung kapin.
Sirain mo yung papel.
Galing yan
May
kay
tape din yan sa taas.
Dito na lang dito. Mami Tita Kai. Mami Tita Kai again. What is it? Wow. It's a bottle again. Wow. What is it? It's Hello Kitty.
I like it.
You like it. Another
Another
one.
one.
The long one. The long one.
Another one.
Oh. Careful.
Unwrap it. Unbox it.
Box again. It's just a box.
Just as a box. Wow.
It's a box.
That's your favorite
Inside the
box.
Here, oh.
Here, oh. Pull it.
What is it? It's a What happened? Wow!
Ang galing ng payong niya.
Umbrella na.
Open natin ang umbrella mo.
Ay, tama yung isa mong gift oh, yung pakita mo yung shoes from daddy.
Only shoes ka pa galing.
Pakita mo yung shoes from daddy.
Get the shoes.
Wow, beautiful shoes.